Let's take this outdated topiary and turn it into adorable home decor for spring. Let's get started. My name is Cindy and I'm with Reinvented Delaware, and we love to repurpose and upcycle all sorts of thrift store finds for home decor, and we love taking you along on that journey. Recently, while out thrifting, I found this really outdated topiary and I knew that I could do something with it. So we started by just taking the whole thing apart. I dismantled the whole piece. I took off all the old florals and just took it all apart. The little pot was a little shiny for me. I didn't like that, so I have a plan for that. But do you see those pears off to the side? They were really tiny. They were only about 2 inches tall, and I decided to keep them. We're going to make something else with those later in the fall. I decided to turn the little pot into a faux concrete kind of a look. And to do that, I used Dixie Belle mud. It's a wood filler that I use to repair holes and such like that on furniture makeovers, but it also works for like this. I could just take that plastic spatula and I just spread it all over the outside of that little pot, and I left a lot of texture. And then I let it dry completely. I even used my hairdryer to speed it up a little bit. While the pot was completely drying with all of that Dixie Belle mud on it, I decided to take apart all of the florals. They were really outdated. The little styrofoam berries were all dried up and horrible looking. So I just took everything apart. Everything had been wired on separately. So I had to carefully dismantle, use my wire cutters and cut off the wire, all of that just to take the thing apart. Now, when I took it apart, I found those little pears and apples, and they were in pretty good shape. I think one was damaged, but for the most part, they were in really good shape. I'm going to use those for a future project. Be sure to subscribe. I don't want you to miss that tutorial. It'll be coming later in the fall or maybe at Christmas. When all of the Dixie Belle mud was dried on that little pot, I decided to use a couple of different neutral colors to create that concrete, mossy kind of texture that I love on outdoor planters. And I used a variety of different Dixie Belle chalk mineral paints. I chose the colors Drop Cloth, Burlap, and Spanish Moss, and the combination of all three makes the perfect cement concrete kind of look with all that moss growing all over it. I dabbed on the paint, and then I used a paper towel when it was necessary to dab off a little bit and just get rid of any of the harsh lines. It made a really soft look, and it looks like I have moss growing all over this little pot. The next step was to add the florals. I had been to Hobby Lobby on a day when they have all of their florals on half price, and I got a bunch of stuff just for spring for our home. Some of the stems that I bought were cosmos or anemones. I'm not really sure. You let me know what you think these blooms are down in the comments. I think they're cosmos, but don't quote me on that. They were just really pretty and I loved them a lot. And I only bought a few because I wanted a really sparse look. I also made sure that the stems had wire in them because I needed to be able to bend the florals all the way up that corkscrew style of topiary that I was working on. I added some of the florals and I added some of the greenery in just the places that I thought would be just enough. I didn't want it too heavy. I wanted it a kind of a sparse look. I also filled the hole of the original pot with a chunk of floral foam. I wanted to make sure that when I stuck that grapevine topiary back in, it was going to be really solid. So I squirted in some glue. I think I used E6000, let it dry overnight, and then I was able to push that topiary form back into that pot. See the little green finial at the top of this topiary? That just had to go. I did not like it. So I pulled out some gilding wax and used a little small artist brush, and I gave it the look of brass. I couldn't decide where to put this adorable spring floral arrangement in my dining room. It looks so pretty in different places. I have it here on a buffet. You see that I have it over on another wall. I put it on my dining room table. I'll share all the photos at the end of this video so that you can see the different looks that I created with this piece. I've also written a blog post, and I'm going to link that down below so that you can go and see the step-by-step directions. I'll have all the supplies listed below as well if you want to make over a springtime topiary that you find, topiary, that you find at your local thrift store. I'm so glad that you watched. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It really does help me out. Thanks so much for joining, and we'll see you next time.